Hey Johnny, what are doing here? Nothing, Diana. Just wondering how the stars look like. So bright, aren't they? Yes, Johnny, they are. Do you want to explore the space? Yes, of course, I am very curious to know about the space. Okay, let's go to the space. Really? Can we? Yes, come. Here is the rocket. Let's sit inside the rocket. It will take us to the space. Put on the space outfit. This is a Milky Way, the galaxy of star. And it's a collection of planet called solar system. Wow, what a nature. This is the sun. The sun is the star at the heart of our solar system. Its gravity holds the solar system together, keeping everything, from the biggest planets to the smallest, in its orbit. Sun emits light for the planets. How other planets moves around the sun? Planets revolve around the sun in a definite path, known as orbit. Sun is the source of solar power. Sun is a star. Sun is placed in the center of the solar system. Sun is a huge, spinning and glowing sphere of hot gases. Sam, what would happen if there was no sun? Jame, it would be very cold. The sun is a natural source of heat. Without the sun, it would be too cold and things would start freezing. Plants would not be able to make food. Plants depend on the sun to make food. If there was no sun, they would need some artificial light to make food and survive. What are the 8 planets' names? Our solar system consists of 8 planets. Planets of our solar system include Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Tell me something about Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, and the smallest planet in our solar system, only slightly larger than Earth's moon. Wow, Diana, wonderful. Venus is the second planet from the Sun, and the 6th largest planet. It's the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus is almost similar in size of Earth, that is why it also called Earth's sister. It's amazing. Mars is the 4th planet from the Sun. It is also known as the red planet. Mars may look hot, but don't let its color fool you. Mars is actually pretty cold. It has 2 moons called Deimos and Phobos. It's incredible. Yes, nature is incredible. Let me tell you about Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun, and the largest in the solar system. It has 79 moons. It is also called gas giant because it is mostly made up of gases. Really? It sounds so dangerous. Yes, it is. What about Saturn and Uranus? Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun and the 2nd largest planet in our solar system. You can't stand on Saturn. Saturn has rings. Saturn's rings aren't solid. It's very windy on Saturn. You can see Saturn through a telescope. Saturn has more moons than any other planet in the solar system. And Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun, and it's the 3rd largest planet in our solar system, about 4 times wider than Earth. You could fit 63 Earths inside Uranus. It is an ice giant. Uranus has 13 rings. Wow, Diana, it is unbelievable. Yes, Jenny, the nature is so vast. We also have Neptune, the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun. It is also called dark planet. It takes 164 years to finish an orbit around the Sun. I felt so wondered to know about all of 8 planets. Do you know, Sam, we did have 9th planet called Pluto. But it has removed from solar system. Why? Because it has not yet cleared the neighborhood of its orbit. Now it's time to go back home. I hope you enjoyed this space trip. Yes, it has been the most wonderful experience I have ever had.